Yes, yes, yes. You me I say now, nation people. Because right now, we smell a whole heap of infested people on the internet. Right about now, them pollute the net. And we are smell it. No games business, no dead about it. No lollipop thing, no into it. But watch you now. Me hear some people I run out and I say, oh, Toni-Ann sing. You know what I mean? Hide from kissing popcorn. I should said, shy away from kissing popcorn. The album launch of Popcaan up. So, right now, me I say to myself, me don't know if the people them have to strip down them clothes in front of them and make out in front of these people for please them or something because me don't know what them really are look forward for because you see me everything what them a do are all about entertainment thing. You see what me I say and Popcaan is an entertainer. So me don't know what really are going in these people mind because me not hear them a talk about the album we for forward the 27. Me not hear them a talk about the singles them we drop off of the album, how them a do well all over the world. Me not hear them a talk about all the singles them a chart, how them a stream, nothing like that. Me not hear them a talk about the expectation of the album with the rest of the song them were left for drop now. Is what me I say where people never hear about. Me not hear nobody a talk about nothing about that. All me hear people are run out on the bumbuckle social media and I talk about she shy away from kiss and people all a talk about them a fake it. And not that we are dealing with, my brother. No, una the same set of people who come jump out what they are and not talk about Afrobeat gone round dancehall. Let me ask you something. This is how una help dancehall. Let me ask you something. This one I do can help dancehall. Una no see says an album the man a drop. Only not talk about the album. Only not talk about the song them were even drop off of the album already we are create impact all over the world and me not hear una chat about that. So this one I chat about can help dancehall. Una see the man bumbucklat with the girl pan private jet I go all over the world. Una see that? Una see the girl a river with the man them a hang out, a cook a go on with beer thing. You see what I say? Una see the girl all about with the fella. So me no know which part else you want to see the people them if I in a them bumbucklat bedroom. You see what I say? And me no know if that bumbucklat I go fulfill on curiosity. Because it look like say uno people uno so fucking stupid. Let me tell you, when I get disgusting now. This is the reason why you hear people can talk about dancehall like that and I talk about Afrobeat gone and this and that. Because the joy in a bumbucklat dancehall no more. Uno come with a look of gas up and mix up blood clotting for shadow the people them good music. Or what them do, with beer propaganda and beer hypocrisy and beer illusion. Fuck. You see what I say? Who now go out with that can do nothing to dancehall, my brother. What kind of impact that can make in a dancehall? How does that help dancehall? Tell me, how does that help dancehall? Because when you left the dancehall party and gone in the people, them personal bumburas cloth business. You see what I say? And the man a show no say is a whole body of work in my drop and you no bumbuckler business with that. All you business with is the people them for pull out blood clot each other tongue in front of you. And through you no blood clot get that. You see what I say? So you not get that for full of no blood clot stomach. Then you not run out but she shy away from blood clot kiss and not talk about a fake. And me tell you no blood clot this boy Gaza man. But me tell you something man. Watch this. I forget the pussy girl will never hang up. Light post girl, you make we stand up. Fat tight pussy have to get bang up. Hey, hey, yes girl. I forget the pussy and we never hang up. After we no phone, after we no amok. Sit down on that thing here and you put your hand up. Twist your face up, cause you a take hot fuck. You don't know man. Well, one sort it out, give it to me, girl, give me something to talk about. You mad the man them when you walk about your pum fat and your ass cock out. Them thing there make man heart drop out, make man walk from town to Waterhouse. Hang up. Well, me no pig in a slaughterhouse, give it to me, baby, and broke me spear. I forget the pussy girl will never watch. Me no know what really that I want to talk about, you know. You see what me I say? But this thing, you know, is not about people love life story. You hear me? Yeah, man. This thing is not about people love life story. So, if you say you run out of the area and I talk about you want to collaboration between who and what you talk about the music, water don't call Afrobeat, gone around it and all of this shit. I can't the same people I see now I run out with them ridiculous video. So for sure I say yo, is a part of the people them where I put on dancehall, you know. And that's that I want for sure. I want to know that the some of the set of the people them who are put on dancehall. No gimmick species not dead about it. Before you chat about the music, you want to get into people personal business. That's what I say. You have no idea of all you do just run on a blood clot mouth. That's what I say. The man a drop a body at work. Yes, what I say, around 4 or 5 songs drop off of the album already. You see me, them a chart, them a stream, all of these things are going. Me not hear you not talk about that, you know. Listen to you not talk about. Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself now, my brother. Listen to what you not put out. You not chat about the music. Yes, what I say. Listen to what you not chat about. Then that can help the music. The if you not help the music, now have to put on the music, my brother. And that you not do, you know. If you not help the music, I put on the music. So I get for find out, say, well then, and prove it to myself, say, well then, you see, personally, my brother, right now, is a solidified and certified fucking haters. Because you hate upon the man because him success. You see what I say? There ain't nothing more than that. You see what I did? Uno vlogger, is nothing more than a backstabbing reviewer. You ain't nothing but a critic stellar. And personally, you ain't nothing but some jockstrap sniffer. Now gimmicks thing na inna my game, you know. No lollipop thing na inna it. You know how I represent already Gaza way, they ain't no other way. If I know something you do for push the music forward, I bring down the blood clot music. You see what I say? I don't know why someone could try to go in some soap opera. You see what I say? Because you ain't nothing more than some fucking a whole set of manpower. You see what I did? Listen to the thing them want to bumbuckler discuss and bring out on social media. Dancehall no need people like you, my brother. Dancehall no need people like you. Don't go think you do a bring down dancehall. That's what I say, because you can't stop the man, you know. Because you don't see the unruly movements a total different thing from one I talk about a worldwide thing. So you can't stop that. And you can't stop the song them from even chart neither. You see what I say? Because most of them people, man, the streaming is not from Jamaica. And that's why we can't stop them. You see what I say? We don't have that power there. So the only thing we can do right now is sit down and eat. But here we go on. We can't wait for Friday for the album release. Because as I say, a party I go on over I Am Coffee Tea channel. And all of the Unruly and the Gaza fans them are go buy the album. Not only that, the people them are going to show the material evidence and show you. So well then, them buy the album. Because them are going to send them evidence over Coffee Tea that everybody can see that live on the live. So you don't know, say a total party. Go straight back till the next week for the first week sales. Because you don't know. Well, look for remarkable numbers from the Unruly boss. And them things they will do. We support the music. We're not going to stay one side and discriminate it like we see some people do. Or we're not going to find some different thing for talk about when we're supposed to talk about the quality of the music and even the strength or the power of the album. You see what I say? So big up the Unruly boss Popcaan anywhere in there. When you don't know a Gaza way, there ain't no other way. 10-star general I represent. Watch. 10-star general. Oh.